welcome to my YouTube channel. So I am Monica Gordon, founder of EpicTourzZ. EpicTourzZ is all about fun, food, adventure, but then being able to fund all of these things by working from home or remotely. So the aim of this page is really to add as much value as I can to anybody who is looking for changes like that. In today's day and age, to be honest, it can be really annoying going into a regular 9 to 5, waking up early, going through traffic, co-workers you don't like. Like, there are many downsides to it. But to be honest, there are pros and cons to anything or everything. Alright? So what EpicTourzZ is all about, there will be mini tours, so maybe a few tours each month to different locations just to sort of experience the island of Jamaica a little bit more and over time to expand. Also, it's about working from home. So you'll hear from different people who have been working at home or working from home or working remotely for years in different job fields. I'll be having interviews with them just for persons to have clarity. My area is teaching English online. That's what I have been doing for about 4 years now, and I have such a passion for it, and I believe it has so much potential. And so I really wanted to pretty much, I guess, just broaden the whole scope of working from home so a lot of people can understand that there are so many advantages to it at the end of the day. Now, working from home, definitely not easy. It takes discipline and motivation, and not to stay at home and live in the fridge. That's not the best idea. Alright, so I'll also give tips, since that's my area, in terms of teaching online, how to prepare for the interviews, things like those, as well as I'll have other persons with expertise in the other work remotely jobs for them to explain how their process goes. So the aim of this really is just to build a community of persons. Again, the aim: fun, food, travel, adventure. So it's to go out together, to have fun together, to eat together, to go to a theme park together, whatever it is, but it's to build that engaging community where we could have fun together. So it's not like I'm blogging all alone, it's more like we're all blogging and taking from each other's experiences. So it's supposed to be fun at the end of the day. So please, what I want for you guys to do is to subscribe to my channel, as well as remember to subscribe to the website EpicTourzZ.com. You will be able to win prizes. There will be prizes, surprises, giveaways, so many fun things moving forward, and I'm just excited to build with you guys. So see you in my next post. Bye everyone.